Hi, this is Xperia 10 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first launch the Gmail application, then tap on the right upper corner, and now we can see that we are logged in here in the Google account. To log out from the Google account in Gmail app, we should first log out from Google account on our device, and to do that we should click to manage accounts on this device, tap on this account and confirm your action by tap to remove. Tap to remove account once again. Are you sure? If you use some protect methods, just use them. Now we just successfully log out from the Google account, and after that just go back to the application so we could check and see that we just also successfully log out from Gmail app. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.